Hi, and thank you for your interest in the Writing and Communication Center here at Ashland University. Today, I would like to tell you how to register for an account and make appointments with us. We have two options. One is synchronous, which would be a live online appointment, or asynchronous, which would be you submitting a work for one of our staff to review and send you feedback. I'll show you how to do both ways, and you could pick which is more agreeable to you. If you'll allow me to share my screen, I could show you how you complete the registration process. First, you go to ashland.mywconline.com. That's ashland.mywconline.com, and it will take you to this page. Once you do that, you'll go right here where it says register for an account and click on that link. This will take you to a page where you have to fill out your name, your student ID number, some information about yourself, and it'll help you register for an account. One very important thing during this process is before you click on create an account, it's very important to confirm that you are not a robot and check this box, and then you can create an account, and then you won't have to go back and retype your information. Once you do that, it will take you back to this original page that we went to at ashland.mywconline.com. And you could type in your email address and your password and log in. One important distinction that you need to consider, if you want a synchronous online appointment, an in-person, a live online appointment, you would click on undergraduate here where it says select a schedule. If you would like a asynchronous appointment where you do not have to meet live online with a person, you would click on graduate. I'll walk you through both processes in the next few minutes. So let me log in and I will show you how our schedule works. This is for a synchronous online appointment. So we clicked on undergraduate and you could see the schedule here. So today, October 23rd, we could see what times are available by these white boxes. Once we find the time that works for us, we could click on one of these white boxes and it will bring us to this screen. Once we're on this screen, as you want to make a online synchronous appointment, a live appointment online, you will change from the default and click yes, schedule online appointment. Next, you will fill out all the pertinent information here as it populates your instructor's name, your course, what process, where you are in the process with your project, whether it be an essay, a presentation, or a digital media project. You'll fill all this out, and then finally you will click on this blue box, create an appointment. And then that white box that you clicked on will turn orange. So you know that that's your scheduled appointment. On the other hand, if you would like to schedule an asynchronous appointment where you do not meet live online, you have the option of doing that through our original website as well. So instead of when you log in, instead of letting it go to the default right here where it says undergraduate, you would click that circle and click on graduate fall 2023 or whatever semester you're in to schedule an asynchronous appointment. You would still have to, as you did for the other appointment, fill out your email address and password. Here on this schedule, you could see that we have these gray boxes that you could click on, and these are all asynchronous appointments. So you could click on a white box here and you'll get the same option. You'll fill out your information about yourself, your course, and then where you're at in the project. And then you'll have the option here to add an attachment. So you add your paper here or the part of the paper that you would like reviewed. And the person will, after you create an appointment, one of our staff will work with you and send feedback that you could understand what exactly you need to work on, and you would not have to meet live in person. So that is how to make a synchronous or asynchronous appointment We really appreciate your interest in the Writing and Communication Center, and please know we are available to help you anytime. You could always go to our website at www.ashland.edu/WCC, where you could find information about Writing Center services. You could find the link to schedule an appointment, and you could also find a link to send us an email. Thank you very much, and good luck with all of your work.